Hey guys, Danny here, and I just got a new vehicle. What may it be? What did I go about 2.5 hours one way to get? Right in front of me. It's two-wheel drive. It's an automatic. It's like a first. It's just not a first. The Saab was an automatic, the Turbo X. But here it goes. A building. A white building. Sells candy. Or ice cream. Now, can you guess the mileage? Can you guess the price? It's tough without the mileage. Well, you can see it's 3,500. It's a 6.0 Chevy van. Rear wheel drive. Automatic. Spray painted window. It's got 289,000 miles. I thought it was lower, but the price is $1,750. So I went to Harbor Freight right after I bought it. Got some zip ties, got some stuff, got a light so I could hook it up in here. And I have to clean this out. The lights now. Why did I get this though? Not talk about what it needs. Why did I get this? Why did I get an 03 Chevy 3500 6.0 liter with the tow hitch? Because racing. I need a tow rig, and I also like something that I can put a lot of stuff in and a mattress and sleep in overnight and not have to lay on the ground and do all that fun stuff. So this will be my rig for my third drift season. 2 events driving, to and from in the car, packing the car, being a pain. Now I could go in style. It was in a bad neighborhood, so the previous owner put a lock. Someone tried to break in. So it needs one of these. Probably use a mirror. Probably use the other mirror, because this mirror is held on with 2 screws. It could use a cleaning, and that's what I'm going to do today. I'm going to clean out all this stuff. It's got working radio, the heat worked. I didn't try the AC. It needs some cleaning up, that's for sure. Had a safe where a gun or whatever else may have been in there. Yep. Headliner. Yeah. Seat's a little torn, but it's not too bad. I'll probably just leave it for now. Got stuff under the seat. Yeah. Super wash this today. Charging up the Mustang as I try to start it, move it, and it was dead. 9 volts. Hasn't ran in a while. It's been kind of cold some days, and then it warmed up. But to the van. A little dirty. Ooh, free hose clamps. And blades. And a drill bit. And a spark plug. Sweet. That's gotta get fucking zip tied over here so it doesn't put a hole through the fucking glass. Stop. Alright, time to move some stuff. Hey, a free file. So I guess he said some new brakes and a caliper and whatever else. I've been sweeping into boxes all the dirt and rust and whatnot. So speaking of rust, got some holes. Remember, it's 300,000 miles in New Hampshire vehicle, and who knows where else. The floor over here is a little squishy, and there's a hole there, and I'm vacuuming, and there's dirt in there, but you can see that there's light coming through. So I peeled up the mat. I've been vacuuming and sweeping this out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this mat and take this mat out. I'm going to keep the mat. I'm going to use it as a template to lay down a piece of plywood, 2 pieces probably. I'm going to cover this up with some metal after I hit it with some rust reformer or whatever stuff for rust. I don't know if it's actually going to work, but I'm going to hit it all with that stuff. Then try and spray some expanding foam to fill the cracks. And hopefully this van will last just a couple years. And before I lay the carpet down, I'm probably going to spray paint all this nice white, make it look nice inside, because I will be staying in here and I do want it to look nice. You know, I don't want a rust bucket. Maybe even paint the outside to match the car or just clean it up. But it's just supposed to be reliable, be able to take me to and from the track and not have to worry. I'll probably put that back in when I'm done. That'll be like my little tool shelf maybe. Maybe I won't. Maybe I'll just get a toolbox to put here. I don't know yet. But that's further along. Got all up there to clean too. I'm just doing the back first, seeing what I got. Okay, I've been cleaning up all the crevices with the vacuum, trying to make sure that whenever I spray foam and paint, it's going to be clean. I cut out the mat. I'm going to use it as a template, so I try to cut clean line. I marked it with a square and used some scissors, cut the mat, and now I have a clean blank sheet to start with. I'm going to take everything out that is not the van. So these are going to stay. I'm probably going to leave the seats. I'll try and clean up around them. This is everything I'm keeping from the van. Just some blades and a drill bit and some magnets and hose clamps. Nothing really. Gonna sweep and vacuum this all out and then get ready to clean the front. And then another day I'll get all the tools to make this floor, paint the walls. And that'll pretty much be it for the inside, for just cleaning up, getting rid of some stuff. There's so much stuff in these doors, stuff under the seats, and then I'm gonna vacuum, and then I'll probably clean up the front. I got the vacuum thing, the shampoo thing. I could shampoo the seats, clean up the floor. The front will be done, minus fixing like the door panel or like the door lock that closes, or doing something about this window, or like the clips on them are broke. I don't know what I'm gonna do with that. I don't like this idea, how it sits. So if you get into a crash, this could go like, this could be glued or cut. I'm thinking of tinting these windows legal amount. Maybe put a bigger banner here. Tint these like limo black. Get rid of all the stickers, clean up the windows. I think it would really come out nice once it's all fixed up. Getting rid of all the stuff in there. Okay, everything's out, and I'm going to vacuum. I was taking off some of the stickers, and then my stickers, so gotta work on that. Oh, there's something up there that I gotta take off.